Hi, this is Marty Carter with SumnerOne Service. Today we're going to change the toner waste cartridge on a Canon Image Runner series. On the right side of the machine, below the bypass tray, we'll see a door with a thumb screw. We will unscrew the thumb screw. Sometimes it might take a standard screwdriver. We'll remove that door. Inside we'll see the waste cartridge. We'll pull this out. We can take this cap, put it over the top, and then throw this away. We'll get the new toner cartridge and slide it into place. And then we'll put the side door back on. We're gonna pay attention to this hole and this piece here. And then retighten the thumb screw. And we're finished. Thank you.